In this video, I will show you email writing using ChatGPT. There are several benefits to using ChatGPT for email writing. It saves time and effort compared to manual writing, as you can generate a complete email in just a few minutes. It's helped to ensure that the content of your email is grammatically correct and free of typos, which is especially important for professional or business email. ChatGPT is able to generate email that are coherent and semantically meaningful, making it easier for the recipient to understand your message. Email writing can often be a time consuming, and especially for those who are not confident their writing skill. However, with the advent of advanced language models such as ChatGPT, writing email has become much easier. In this video, we will explore how ChatGPT can be used to write email more efficiently and effectively. Now, here, write, can you write an email to my boss asking for my promotion, right? Write and enter. So looks here, subject request for promotion, dear boss name, I hope this email find you well. I am writing to express my interest in a promotion within the company. I believe that the skill and experience I have acquired make me a strong candidate for a higher position within the company. I am eager to take on new challenges and contribute to the continued success of the organization. Right? And here, look, best regard, and you put here your name. So in this way, I can write any email. If I want to create the subject of this email, then I have to write this. Okay, what would be a great subject for this email? Right, now enter. So look here, request a promotion discussion or opportunity for advancement with company name could be good subject line for this email. It clearly conveys the purpose of the email and show your eagerness for growth within the company. So again, here type, can you write an email for me that I want to send to the principal of a college for my admission, and press enter. Subject, request for admission to college name, dear principal name, right? So Look here, when I put this command, then ChatGPT automatically write and it really awesome type of email. Now here type again, can you write an email for me that I have to send to my potential PhD supervisor asking for a scholarship. The area of research is software engineering, right? Now I press enter. So look here, ChatGPT write attractive subject, request for scholarship in software engineering, and he automatically type this. So when I put, can you write an email for me that I have to send to my potential PhD supervisor, ask for a scholarship. The area of research is software engineering. After then, ChatGPT write awesome type of email. ChatGPT is an incredibly useful tool for anyone who want to write email more efficiently and effectively. Whether you are a busy professional or simply someone who struggle with writing, ChatGPT can help you to compose professional quality email in no time. So why not give it a try and see the difference it can make to your email writing process. So hopefully do you understand that how can write effective email with ChatGPT. Thanks for watching this video.